nagbago yung katawan ko kasi ang tagal kong napahinga at ngayon nagsipon-sipon na ako agad. Pero at the same time, sobrang nag-enjoy ako kasi nagkasama-sama kami ulit after a week.
Natabunan ka ni Aina.
Boys!
Yo mga troops, first taping day namin ngayong 2025. Kamustahin natin ang cast ng Ang Mutya ng Section E. Samahan niyo ako ngayon sa set. Let's go!
Ano masasabi mo?
Ha?
Bakit? First taping of... Kagalit.
Hindi ko marinig.
First taping of the year. First shoot day.
Ako sobrang saya kasi namit ko ulit sila.
Mama mo.
First taping of the day!
Of the year.
Of the year! Ayan, masaya naman. Kumain ako, dami ko ang tingnan.
We have here.
Oh my gosh!
It's the first taping of the year.
Kinukuha po namin yung mga ano nila, yung mga tira-tira, kinakain po namin. Kasi ang sarap ng luto ni Kuya.
Why
are you shy, AJ?
I want the people to see.
Don't be shy. First taping of the year.
Kuha tayo yung chips.
Uy, props yan. First taping of the year.
Yes! Thank you, Lord.
Michael, first taping of the year. What can you say?
Hi. Oh my gosh, but push button. What are you doing on my vlog?
You're not in the call shit, but you're here. Why are you here?
I'm vlogging. Yes, I'm Direct Head's personal vlogger.
Yun, may pa-surprise cake pala ang prod dahil sabay-sabay nag-birthday si Dane, Sam, Kyosu, and Rafa. Let's go!
Sam Shot speech! Sam Shot speech!
Ayun, mini-vlog lang, ayuda for you mga troops. At yan, baka pagalitan na ako ni Direk. And itong vlog, bye!